Today, we're gonna learn about thermal expansion. As we know, most materials expand when heated and contract when cool. Here are the examples of the expansion of material. First one, expansion of metal bar when heated. The next one is expansion of bottle lid when soaked into the hot water. And tightly lit glass bottle cracks when heated due to expansion of liquid. So, what is thermal expansion? Thermal expansion is the change in the dimensions of a body accompanying in a change in temperature. There are three types of thermal expansion, which is linear expansion, area expansion, and volume expansion. Linear expansion is the change is only in the length of the object. Then, the expansion is called linear expansion. So, suppose a rod of material has a length of L0 at some initial temperature T0. When the temperature change by delta T, the length change by delta L. And delta L is equals to L minus L0, meanwhile delta T is equals to T minus T0. So, delta L is directly proportional to L0 delta T, where delta L is equals to alpha L0 delta T, and alpha is equals to delta L divided by L0 delta T. Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion and is defined as a fractional increase in length of a solid per unit rise in temperature. And the unit for alpha is per degree Celsius or per Kelvin. Next, we will look at area expansion. The change in area of solid is called area expansion. A0 is the initial area at initial temperature T0, and delta A is directly proportional to A0 delta T, so delta A is equals to beta A0 delta T, and beta equals to delta A over A0 delta T, where beta is the coefficient of area expansion and is defined as the fractional increase in area of a solid surface per unit rise in temperature, and the unit for beta is per degree Celsius or per Kelvin, and beta is equals to 2 alpha. And the last one is volume expansion. Volume expansion is the expansion in the volume of a solid. If V0 is the initial volume at initial temperature T0, then delta V is equals to V minus V0 and delta T equals to T minus T0. So delta V is directly proportional to V0 delta T, and delta V is equals to gamma V0 delta T, where gamma is equals to delta V over V0 delta T, where gamma is the coefficient of volume expansion and is defined as the fractional increase in volume of a solid per unit rise in temperature, and the unit of gamma is per degree Celsius or per Kelvin, and gamma is equals to 3 alpha. Now, let's test your understanding. When the lid of a glass jar is tight, holding the lid under hot water for a short time will often make it easier to open. Why? The answer is the lid of the jar undergo area thermal expansion. Area of the lid of glass jar increasing after being heated by hot water for a short time, and this makes it easier to open. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you for watching.